Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to lock your Westpac card. If you want to temporarily lock your Westpac card, then you can simply follow the steps till the end of the video. First of all, open a web browser of your preference and go to the URL box at the top and type in westpac.com.au and press enter. You will now end up in the official website for Westpac. From the main homepage, go to the upper right corner and click on Lost or Stolen Cards option. Click on Temporarily Lock Card option appearing on the next page. You can easily lock your card temporarily if your card has been stolen or lost. You can cancel your card and order a new one in online banking for Westpac. Simply click Temporarily Lock Card option and log into your Westpac online banking account. Type in your customer ID in the first text box and type in your password on the next field. After you are done filling in the correct credentials associated with your online banking account, click Sign In. After you are logged into your account, choose the card you would like to lock and click Lock, and you will be able to temporarily lock your card that is stolen or lost from Westpac. If you don't find your card within 15 days, it is advisable to permanently cancel your card by reporting it as lost or stolen. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.